Hi, hello my dear children. In this session we are going to continue exercise 4.2, that is we are going to do sum number 2. Okay, what is the question? Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. So you go to write the step first. In the previous sum we have written no, add or subtract. The same way here also you have to write the first step, then you have to proceed to the solution. Okay. So here 3L is equal to 42. 3L means what? 3 into L is equal to 42. All of you know this. So here it is connected with what operation? Multiplication operation. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So what should you do? You have to eliminate these 3. This 3 should be eliminated from the left hand side because we want to find the value of L, the variable in the variable. So variable should be kept in the left hand side and constant should be kept in the right hand side because we need the value of the variable L. So for that you have to eliminate. What is the constant term here? 3. You have to eliminate that 3. And we have to do the opposite operation. Then only it will be getting cancelled. Isn't it, children? So here the opposite of multiplication is divide. So what should you do? Divide both sides by what number? We got what? We have to eliminate 3. So we got to divide by 3. Is it clear? Now we divide that. 3 into L is equal to 42. You divide this side by 3 and this side also by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. As a result, we have only L in the left hand side. So L is equal to 42. How many times 3 goes in 42? 14 times. So the answer is what? L is equal to 14. You can check what? LHS is equal to 3 into 14. 3 14s are 42. That is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Now B sum is B by 2 is equal to 6. B by 2 means what? B divided by 2. What's the meaning? B divided by 2. So we have to eliminate what number from the left hand side? This 2 we have to eliminate. Okay. So here what is this 2 doing? It is dividing. So we have to eliminate. To eliminate that 2, we have to do the opposite operation. What is the opposite operation? Multiply. So multiply both sides by what number? By 2, because we have to eliminate the 2. So what should you do? B divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 6 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what do you get? B is equal to 12. Okay. So the answer is B is equal to 12. If you want, you can check your answer whether it is correct or not. Instead of LHS, instead of B, you write 2, 12. 12 by 2 is equal to what? 6 times. So this is the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now here again, P divided by 7 is equal to 4. So we have to eliminate what number? 7. So for that, what should you do? You have to multiply by what number? 7. Then only the 7 will be getting cancelled and P will be left. So P by 7 into, you have to write the steps. Here it is asked, why should you write the step? Because it is asked to write. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable. Okay, variable and then solve the equations. So you have to write the step. What is the step? Multiply sides by what number? 7. So what do you get? 3 by 7 multiplied by 7. The same operation should be done in the right hand side also. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So P is equal to 28. So the answer is P is equal to 28. Okay. So you can do the checking. LHS is equal to, instead of P, 28. 28 by 7 is equal to 4. That is equal to the RHS. Sum number D. 4x is equal to 25. So 4x means what? 4 into x. So multiplication. So to eliminate 4 from the left hand side, what should you do? You have to divide. The opposite operation is what? Divide. Divide both sides by 4. So 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Okay. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. X is equal to 25 by 4. So the answer is x is equal to 25 by 4. Okay. Here also you can verify LHS is equal to 4 into x is 25 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 25. Which is equal to, like that you can verify. Okay, if you want you can verify to confirm your answer. Otherwise it's not necessary. Okay, because it's not asked to verify in the question. Okay, now next one. Again 8y. So which number you have to eliminate? 8. You have to keep y in the left hand side. So it is multiplication operation. What is the opposite? Divide. Again what should you do? Divide. Both sides by what number? By 8. So 8y divided by 8 is equal to 36 by 8. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Here also see 86 and 8. 36 and 8. 36 is not a multiple of 8. Isn't it? So we cannot divide and get a whole number. But we can simplify 36 and 8 because this 36 and 8 are divisible by 4. Both comes in 4 tables. Both are multiples of 4. So you divide by 4. What do you get? 4 9s are 36. 36 divided by 4 by 8 divided by 4 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay children, or simply you can cancel 36 by 8. 4 9s are 4 2s are 9 by 2. You can write like this also. Okay. And answer what? Y is equal to 9 by 2. Okay. Now next question. Here 3. Z divided by 3. So what is the you have to eliminate which number? 3. So for that what should you do? You have to do the opposite. What is the opposite operation? Multiply. Multiply both sides by what number? By 3. So Z by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 by 4 into 3. This 3 and 3 cancel. But here we cannot cancel anything. So 5 3s are 15 by 4. So the answer is Z is equal to 15 by 4. Okay, children? You can, if you check also, you will be getting the same answer. Z is what? 15 into 1 by 3. So 3 goes 5 times. So 5 by 4. What do you get? RHS. Okay. Now sum number G. Sum number G. A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. So here which number you have to eliminate? This 5. Okay. So what should you do? You have to multiply. Here it is. A is divided by 5. So multiply both sides by what number? 5. Because you have to eliminate this 5 only. So A by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So this 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are. So what do you get? 7 ones are 7 by 3. What? A is equal to. So the answer is A is equal to 7 by 3. If you want to check, LHS is equal to A by 5. A is equal to what? 7 by 3. By 5 is 1 by 5. So what do you get? 7 by 15, which is equal to the RHS. Okay. Now sum number H. (20t) is equal to minus 10. So here 20t means what? 20 into t. So you have to eliminate 20. Then only we will have t in the left hand side. So what is the opposite operation? Divide. Both sides by what number? 20. So 20t by divided by 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. So 20 gets cancelled. If you divide both sides by 10, you will be getting minus 1 by 2. So the answer is what? T is equal to minus 1 by 2. So checking LHS is equal to 20t. That is equal to 20 into minus 1 by 2. 2 goes 10 times. So 10 into minus 1 minus 10. This is equal to RHS. Have you understood, children? So to eliminate the constant from the left hand side, you have to do the opposite operation. Okay? Thank you, children. Take care of your health. God bless you all.